Here she goes.
Rural lifestyle, yo.
How many cord have you burned so far this season, babe?
Oh, I don't know. You figure we have this area stacked, basically like 4 to 5 rows. We so far have burned through 2 of them.
Okay.
So this would be our third stack. The colder it is, the more we burn, which
And it's been cold this year too.
and this year is easily the coldest year we've had.
Starting to snow again. You having fun?